You are watching the English journey from here on this channel, English journey from here. So as you know, I am learning English nowadays, and that's why I am uploading the video on the YouTube and I'm shooting the video. Okay, so I have to just improve my English, so that's why I am practicing instead of watching the videos and other many things. Okay, because someone said to me, you have, if you want to learn English, so you have to just practice more and more. Don't watch the too much English movies, videos and songs. Okay, just you have to learn, so you have to practicing means no matter you are beginner and you are pro, okay, your English is good, so you have to improve your English means you have to just comes on the advance. If your English is basic, so you have to just come on advanced level. Okay, so that's why English is important and English is used everywhere. And I am here where on the roadside, and you can see here are many peoples and many traffics area. Okay, so I am speaking means I am practicing. Okay, not I am speaking, not I am shooting video, I am just speaking the English. Okay, because I know the English is very important language. Okay, it become very useful in future. Okay, if I will improve my English, then I can get a job easily with the help of English. Okay, if I don't know English, so how can I get a job? Because there are many people gives them priority whose English is well. So that's why it's a reason of learning English. I am improving my English. Okay, so I am struggling with it, but I am daily practice. Okay, and try to speak, try to listen. Okay, so I don't have too much word and I'm sticking too much. Sticking too much means I don't have too much good practice. I just speak and I just talk to my friends little bit. Okay, not too much means I can introduce myself, I can explain things in English, and I can handle some things in English. Okay, so because I am learner and I'm beginner, I don't have too much words, vocabulary, sentences. Okay, so that's why it is tough for me. I know here are many peoples that can easily speak English. Okay, because he is practicing too much time. Okay, and he is practicing many times. Okay, more and more times he involve all the time in English, but I am not involving too much time. I have some works, I busy all the other sides means other work. Okay, so I'm not totally busy, I'm not totally free. That's why I'm here and I'm practicing. When I came outside, then I start English speaking. Speaking means explain things in English. Okay, it's a way of learning English. If I will not do this, then I can't learn English. So I hope you can understand what I want to say. I am fixing my hair again because it's not a proper. My hair are falling down. Okay, and if you have some solution of it, so please recommend me and suggest me. Okay, so here are some people's coming in my way, so I get embarrassed. Embarrassed means I am speaking bad English, so he will listen and he will judge me. His English is not too much good, but still he is practicing. It's a very bad. Okay, it's my opinion. So I have to just speak in English. Don't translate in English means in your mind anything is comes, so you have to just speak means explain it. Okay, don't use Hindi word. Okay, don't use any Hindi word. You have to just think in English all the time means when you are free, when you are outside from your home, when you are play with your friend, and when you are calling to your friend and talking, you have to just totally speak in English. It's the only way of learning English. Otherwise, it's my opinion, there is no any short way for learning English, improving English if you really want. Okay, so when you will learn English, so you can realize your level is something high, okay, as compare the other persons who doesn't know English, okay. So I hope you can understand. So bye bye, keep practicing.